Revival of silk trade under PM developmental package for Jammu and Kashmir. Hello viewers, I am Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Here is the latest update. As you all know, around 40,000 families are associated with the silk trade in Kashmir Valley, and now the World Bank has sponsored the restoration of this factory by funding it with more than rupees 18 crore under PM development program for Jammu and Kashmir. With the revival of the Kashmir centuries-old Kashmir silk factory with imported and latest automatic machinery, Kashmir silk production will rise from 50,000 meters to 3 lakh meters per year. This revival and boost to this factory has brought also smile to the faces of around 40,000 families whose livelihoods directly depend on it. This has come to information that there is a huge demand for mulberry silk from the Kashmir Valley by buyers across the world. However, the main silk factory in Jammu and Kashmir's Srinagar was completely damaged in 2014 floods. But now, under the Prime Minister's development package for Jammu and Kashmir, the Jhelum Tawi flood recovery project has restored this heritage factory with modern techniques. During the 2014 Kashmir floods, the factory was completely damaged with the livelihoods of thousands also impacted, out of which the total 38 varieties of silk that were produced at the factory, only 8 varieties were produced after the damage. However, now new machines and world-class equipments, warping and new looms have been installed at the factory, enabling it to produce almost 2.5 lakh meters of silk every year now. Workers of this factory has to say that production increase means increase in our income too, and there will be job opportunities for other youngsters too. This is to let you know that silk farmer Javeed Ahmed Shah says at least 30 to 40,000 people are connected to this trade in Kashmir, and there will be a lot of profit by installing new machines. We used to produce around 50,000 meters silk earlier, and now with the new machinery the production will go around 3 lakh meters per year. Appreciating authorities, he said it is a very good step taken by the government for Kashmir. The government has taken a very good step. Inshallah, Kashmir will emerge again. As earlier said, around 40,000 families are associated with the silk trade in Kashmir Valley, and now the World Bank has sponsored the restoration of this factory by funding it with more than rupees 18 crore under PM development program for Jammu and Kashmir. This is to let you know more than 38 varieties of silk are produced in Kashmir Valley, and the artisans working in this industry are happy that they will be able to work again to produce world-class silk in the valley. This will too bring Kashmir silk on world silk market map. Artisan Maimoona Mir says a lot of change has happened in this factory. We are very happy since this new unit started. We have high hopes. We want our factory to grow more and more. The factory's restoration part of the government plan to boost silk production across Jammu and Kashmir and to generate employment for locals. So this was the whole news before you related to this silk production in Jammu and Kashmir. Keep watching Such News Network. Jai Hind.